The other side of the world that's changing right now is just the banking system. It's becoming more and more difficult for everyday people, not just here in America, but all over the world, to get a bank account.
Correct.
And then access to things like one of these, because I got to go out to the store and I got to swipe this.
Yes.
Right? And so when I joined ORU, became a member,
yes,
this is the first thing that I saw.
Yeah.
I'm going to get one of these ORU Visa prepaid debit cards.
Correct.
Now I can transact anywhere all over the world. I'm not beholden to one of these big banks, and I'm not susceptible to what they're doing, what they're trying to do to me. I now have freedom of banking.
You have freedom of banking. This was a very important relationship that we created for a variety of different reasons.
Yeah.
But before I tell you about the benefit that it is, I need to give you a little bit of history.
Sure.
And we're going to just keep it local.
Okay.
Right here in the United States. Right? A lot of people don't know about this, but the most recent research bears this out. And this is research done by think tanks, it's research that's done by the banking system themselves.
Yeah.
Over 30 million Americans, do not have a bank account in this country.
That's crazy to me.
They have no bank. These are
they just going to get their check cashed?
These are working
type of folks?
Yeah, these are working people.
Yeah.
Who are paid in cash. Who are paid with checks that they have to go and take to a check cashing place.
Right.
We all know those.
Yeah.
And the reason why they have no bank account, for the most part, is because they cannot afford the fees associated with the maintenance of a basic checking account.
Wow.
They just cannot maintain a balance.
Yeah.
Because they live paycheck to paycheck.
Right. So if they put $100 in the bank, they're taking that 100 right away.
There's almost no benefit to the bank to give them an account.
Right.
Because they're always...
They can't earn any interest on your money.
They're always at the cusp of being overdrawn.
Yeah.
And of course, if they don't have overdraft protection, which you pay for, then you're paying the enormous penalties for the overdraft.
Right, so they'd rather just pay the check cashing place, the extra percentages to get their money right then and there.
And these percentages are very high.
They're huge.
As well.
Yeah.
Right? So, don't you think that number, just that number alone, over 30 million, is staggering? It's a staggering number.
That's a big number. Yeah.
So, take that and put it in one box for a second. Now I'm going to give you another statistic.
Okay.
And this statistic is almost scarier. Over 72 million people in this country alone, if they do have a card, a debit card, and they would go to an ATM machine, they cannot take out $400. They don't have it.
Yeah.
This is a scary statistics. You're talking about tens of millions of people who, by the very nature of what I just said, are living paycheck to paycheck to paycheck. They just don't have it.
Yeah.